Hello guys, welcome back to my next video, and today, I'll show you 10 popular chair designs made from Lego. Let's move on to the first chair. With just a smooth 2x2 Lego piece and the two handles from a bucket, you can create the shape of a chair. I need 4 candles to use as chair legs, and a plate of Lego pieces like the one in the video. And so, the second chair is finished. This third chair was a bit more complicated. First, I made the 4 chair legs. I'm using this Lego piece as a seat. And a backrest is indispensable. Next is the 4th chair. Continue making the 4 chair legs first. Then, use 2 Lego pieces with hooks to serve as armrests. This 5th chair will feature an additional footrest at the bottom. I used a motorcycle handlebar. And I used the Lego gun as an armrest. First, I'll make the armrests for both sides of the chair. Next is the seating area, and the backrest at the rear. Finally, the chair legs. This 7th chair is a rocking chair.